Use the FedEx Dropbox. All you need to do is you can actually select your return if you're trying to return a package on Amazon, or if your package is less than 20 by 6 by 12 in diameter, you can actually just put it in this box and you can actually ship it, assuming you put a shipping label on it already. And as you can see, you can only use this for the suppliers that offers by FedEx. Now, to view these suppliers, you can actually scan the QR code, which is on all boxes on the very top right here. Now, keep in mind, you cannot return UPS packages to one of these drop boxes. And for the most part, they're picked up every day. And assuming you've already printed and actually registered your package to use the Dropbox, you can actually return packages here and just drop them off simply in here. And that's all you basically need to do to use a FedEx Dropbox, is you need to go onto Amazon, select your return as FedEx Dropbox, and then the certain location you want to return it. Or if you're just trying to ship a package, just make sure that you've already paid for it in advance when you're actually mailing it using a Dropbox.